What's up, FSG Nation? I'm Jeremy, this is
Jimmy.
We are usually the guys behind the camera, but we had an opportunity to take Smokeshow to Radford Racing, and we created this new product, our skateboard with our Smokeshow image on it.
Even bareback.
And we thought we would kind of sit down and tell you the story about Radford Racing. It's one of our favorite shoots we've ever done, and talk about kind of how we did it and our reactions to some of the absolutely insane shots that we got.
We go to Chandler, Arizona, to Radford Racing School, talk to all the guys, and we got to kind of plan out the day, plan out our shots for the Smokeshow shoot.
Go and talk with the Radford guys, and you're like, hey, your instructors are the guys. They know how to drive these cars. They know all about them. They're like the people to drive, put behind the wheel. Would one of them be interested if we gave them the keys to our car to show us what it can do? And it was like, absolutely.
Yeah, the guys were super stoked on it. We were kind of hesitant because we were like, it's not their car. What if they're not down to like get behind the wheel and actually rip it?
So he asked us if we want to do donuts, and we're like, yes, of course. And then he proceeds to do a full minute, almost.
I think it was like it came out to like minute 10 seconds.
Of just tight donuts. Just
This
ripping.
is like 30 seconds into it.
Yeah. So he's got the smoke, we're rolling through. You can see the sun's kind of setting down behind. You know, this is...
You kind of see our shadows while we're filming. I zoom in right here. That was when Jeremy got this shot.
Yeah.
So,
And
pretty epic.
But you can see the photo of you. I took this mid donuts.
Yeah, that was a cool one.
Rocking the Freedom Street Garage shirt.
For sure.
And
Lindsay, our social media manager, she got a pretty cool video.
we did replace the tires. The tires are all new on there. Made sure that we are all cleaned up from all the rubber burning. But this is where this comes in, and we've created this deck to kind of bring our culture of Freedom Street Garage in with our in-house culture. A lot of the guys around here, Jimmy for one, Billy our designer, all are big into the skateboard scene, you know. And
so like the graphic on this is really sick. I think we're gonna throw some trucks and wheels on it and do some tricks.
Keep it low, I'ma make a killing, man.